Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do the L3 games. So this is part of the News to You, which you guys have seen in the classroom, but it's the game part that sometimes you guys have played on the iPads before in the past. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to n2y.com/news-to-you/ and I'll put this up as a link in the YouTube channel, and you're going to go over here to these three lines right here in the corner, and you're going to click on those. And then you're going to click sign in right here. And then you're going to click student. And I'm going to use a student as an example. So you're not going to have all of this in here, but you're going to type your first and last name. And then everyone's password is the same. So it's Bulldogs15. And I'll also make sure that you guys have that password set up in our Google Classroom. So you're going to type your first and last name and Bulldogs15, and you're going to click log in. And then this right here is our news story. This thing in the middle is called positivity. There's nothing there. If you click on it, there's absolutely nothing there for you to do. It's visual schedules. Over here on the side also is a visual schedule. There's nothing there for you to do. The schedule is going to look a little different at everyone's house. Some people might be doing reading first. Some people might be doing math first. Some people might have lunch at 12 o'clock. Some people might have lunch at 10 o'clock. So we're not going to make a schedule for you to do. The thing that we're going to work on here is this L3 skills. So you're going to click there. And then everyone will have different games. So up in the corner, you see the student is Lotus. So you can see her little picture there. And everyone has different games that they can click on and play. So this is just some pretty simple games. Some of them are simple. Some of them are more complicated. This is a pretty simple game that I've put here in Lotus's game box. So this is matching socks. So she's going to click on that game and it's going to load. It may take a few minutes to get it loaded. And then you're just going to follow the directions on the screen to complete the activity. Some of them are really quick games and some of them are a little bit more challenging, so they might take a little extra time. I think that you can play this on a tablet or you can do this on the computer. Either way. So let's see if this will load, and then I'll show you how to play the game. It's taking a little bit of time. Alright, so then you're going to click play.
Matching socks.
Drag to the matching sock. Red toe, red heel.
So I'm going to wait for her directions. And then I'm going to drag this sock to the one that it matches. If you have any questions,
blue stripes.
You can click this button and it'll read the directions again.
Drag and match the sock from the basket to the correct sock on the right. Red horizontal stripes.
Great job.
Excellent. So if you guys have any questions about this, you can always let me or Miss Debbie know on the Google
Drag to
Classroom.
the matching sock. Green toe, green heel.